Good morning, guys. It is 4:30 a.m. and we're gonna do, ano ba yan? Diba, mga tulog na We're doing Sabtang tour for today's video.
And it's really early.
This is our breakfast. Lumpia, eggs again, and rice. Happy eating. Hindi lang, kahit madali masyado. Hindi naman bakit. Di ka masaya nung magre-rescue. Try to make sipol. Using this. Wala tayong pailaw. Was a 30-minute boat ride and I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Really, you liked it? It wasn't nice at all. Hindi siya masaya. Nakatakot siya. So yeah, we're gonna start our trip now. Sorry kuya, where we are nga?
Tinyan sa Mantad Viewpoint.
Saan yun kuya? Ito,
ito na yung buong area.
Viewpoint.
Tinyan dito sa taas, Chamantad po, bandang baba.
Chamantad, okay.
Yan, pag gusto niyo
Kuya, what's your name again? Nakalimutan ko na.
Arnel Kumaya.
Arnel. Hi, Kuya Arnel again.
Yan pala pag gusto niyo mamaya na.
Souvenir. Alam, ang cute ng souvenirs nila. Goats. Here are the goats. Come on. May white pa siya half. Ang cute ng color.
Yung anak niya.
Nakasunod talaga siya. Naaliw ko pag tumatalon-talon sila eh. Hello. We're now here in... Ano do you call this?
Chamantad.
Samantad Viewpoint. O sabi ko sa'yo, medyo nagko-color. Ah! It's so windy. So pretty. Wow, that's so cool. Sobrang linis dito. Unlike dun sa... My gosh, the wind. That's so pretty. Hi guys, that's me. This is Teddy. This is Ruben, and this is me. Hi guys, we're at the top. And that's actually, oh my god, it's so hard to stand up. So hard to fight with the wind. My gosh, that's Batan Island daw. So here we are. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. So nice. Ay, putang ina! Hold your ground, Kami! Hold your ground! Tatakangin tayo, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna sit down na lang. Kasi ang hirap kalaban ng air, ng wind. Teddy is trying out Arius wine.
There is. Let's see.
Hindi siya
Very
matapang.
nice, yeah.
We're also having buko juice.
Ikaw, ma'am.
Ay, sige. Ate, I'll try to.
Pwede din siyang i-travel.
Ay, ano? Sino ba? Ikaw muna, Kate.
Hindi, ikaw na muna.
Ito yung tawag na
May ano sa ano?
Talaga ba?
Sa ngala-ngala.
Yeah. Sugarcane, minivan.
Yun naman, made out of sugar cane daw. Cheers.
Emulatic. Yeah. Stronger.
Tamis, ate. Para siyang buko juice.
Sugarcane talaga.
Ay, oo nga no. Ala, ang cute naman ng dog. Hello! Hoy, anong lahi mo?
Crossbreed yan ng ano.
Ng Aspin. Uy, Aspin ba?
Hello! Shih Tzu and Pug mix.
Naging mountain dog na lang yung shih tzu.
Mountain dog ka na? Are you a mountain dog? Oh my gosh, akin ang kambing yung kinakain. Hi guys, let's try buko juice. Sarap. Barangay Shabayan. Sha means bountiful and Vai, the arrow root plant. This plant was the most distinct plant in this plain. Only few plants live in this place, which is suited to better living. We're now here in Sabtang Weavers Association. They are the one who's making these souvenirs.
O yung parang sa pag napino na yun, binibilad to sa araw para mas madali siyang matuyo. Then sisimula na yung pag-wave niyan.
Madali lang.
Hindi kasi sila nakakapag full time sa paggawa ng isang bakos, kaya medyo almost 1 month yung isang
Oh my gosh.
Pag dire-diretso, kasi yung pangungulekta pa ng
simula
simula start from the
Oo.
Pero
Pero
pa
kapag
talaga.
meron ng ganyan.
Pag dire-diretso yung wave na hindi sila abot ng 1 week. Pag upo lang sila
Tapos nakaganon yan, di ba? Yung mga post nila nakaganon.
Bakul. Pero kaya yun may
Baku?
bangs. Bakul.
Bakul.
Pero yung proper way kasi dito, parang nakatago to. Yan.
Ano katago?
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Tatanggalin mo yung bangs.
Parang Tina Turner na.
Okay.
Yan.
So, pag yan yung sinasabi yung suot niya mo din, kuya. Pag
girls naman po.
sa girls,
Ito
sa
yung
boys.
Bakul.
Yep,
Oo.
girls yan,
Oo.
boys.
Ito naman, pag unisex to na sombrero, mga bagong design ng sombrero.
New.
Yun yung sabi ko, ito 400 sa ito.
Ang cute. Hi, guys! Uy, tingnan niyo sa... Ay, ang cute ko, oh. Ay, tinatakpan siya, kuya.
Medyo yun.
Hindi maulan yan.
OOTD check. OOTD check. Ikot ka. Make a turn. Me next. Hi. I have a basket too. Hirap mo. I can't open it. Hayaan mo na. Next, Ruben. Oh. Tapos na mo tayo. Parang ito yung sa mga naroon. Okay, we're gonna walk now.
Usually ito yung setup ng isang family. Nakahiwala yung kusina, yung banyo, then yung main room nila. Kaya nakahiwala yung yung kusina, Diyan sila nagluluto. Doon kami nagluluto. Doon namin pinipreserve yung mga bawang, sibuyas. Pinapausukan namin yan for the next season ng pagtatanim. And then just in case na masunog siya, at least safe pa rin po yung bahay. Tsaka mausok, tsaka para maiwasan din yung usok para sa mga damit.
Shinape
parang
lang.
katam lang. Oo, shinape pa talaga to para magmukha ng maganda.
Shinape
Perfect.
nila yung
Oo.
bato para
Talagang
maging
kinarap
flat.
pa nila.
Oo.
Oo. Then ito, antique lang, bangkito.
Yung cute nyo. Pasok
Then
kayo
ito
sa...
yung yung mga earthen jar, yung banga. Ito naman usually tubig yung nilalagay namin dito. Alam niyo ba kapag summer, malamig yung tubig dito.
Dahil
Oo. Mga dead corals. Yung kwento ng lolo ko pa noon, sumisisid pa siya sa mga malalalim na area para makakuha sila ng ganitong
Tapos paano
malalaki.
siya magiging paste?
So yung ginagawa, pag enough na yung nakuha nila, naguhukay sila, then alternate yung kahoy tsaka bato para makasunog hanggang loob. Then pag naging abo na yun, hindi pa yun ready gamitin. So for curing pa po niya, mag-aantay pa kami ng mga 1 taon or mahigit para maulanan siya. Doon siya magiging sticky.
Paste.
Oo.
Yep. Oo.
Then parang semento rin hinaluan ng buhangin. Pero yung
okay.
nito, yung difference niya, 'di ba yung semento madali lang, ilang araw lang
tuyo na.
tuyo na. Ito naman it takes month minsan, depende rin sa kapal.
Oh my
Sa
gosh.
Kaya yung ginagawa noon minsan by layer. So yung unang layer ng paggawa ng bahay, almost 1 meter or more than 1 meter.
Okay,
Then
paakyat.
after niyan, antay nilang
Papatungan
matuyo.
na. Oh my gosh.
Sa area natin mamaya doon, paglakad natin, makikita natin yung guhit ng yung first layer ng
Dinidirect ako ni direct.
So yun, alam niyo
Oh my
ba?
gosh. Ayan. Ayan. Yung hair ko, kailangan may airbag. Hold ko lang. Maani ako. Pang-ani pa kuya, baka mabadya ko. Ay, may kinukuha lang akong damo. Meron, nakuha mo yung sa hair ko. Ay, ganyan. Wait lang, naka-center pa. Wait lang. Sige, sabihan kita.
Ganyan tapos ano.
Wait, tigil mo na yun.
Sinita mo yung vlog, Lola.
Thank you po. Did you know that Batanes is composed of 11 islands, but only 3 of those islands are habitable?
Kuya, what's that nga? Yung
Santa Rosa
may
de Lima Chapel.
Santa Rosa de Lima
Oo.
Chapel.
The only worship house dito sa Batanes na cogon roof. Oo. Yun yung uniqueness niya sa ibang worship house. Ginawa to halos bayanihan talaga.
Casing, what do you call that again? Casing stone.
Kuya mo, tago.
Hello guys. We're now here in our last destination. Anong tawag dito, kuya?
Morong Beach.
Morong Beach.
Nice.
Oo.
Sandy.
Medyo pino yung buhangin.
Ay, nice. And it's cold. Hello guys, we're here in Pananayan Canteen and we're having again, what do you call this? Bunong. Bunong. This will have rice, lunis, veggie, the fried fish again, and we're just waiting for the soup. But yeah, we're hungry already. Okay, so eat na kami. No, is it? No. White rice. 2 cup of rice pala. Let me just show you Ruben's rice. Ayan, 2 cups of rice siya again. There. Okay, so we have to eat now. Bye. Hello guys, it's our day 4 here. We didn't do much today. And now we're having dinner here in, what do you call this? Pension Ivatans. We're having seafood with platter. I don't know. Let me show you. Have ano ba yan? Octopus ba? Octopus, shrimp, tahong, mussels, and crab. And that's steady. Happy eating. Satisfied craving for Ted.